Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. Greetings, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Sinada Satomera, married, 29 years old. I have 3 children, residents in Upper Biangan, Malungon, Sarangani Province. High school graduating in Binuang National High School. I know how to cook because I have an experience in fast food, and I also had to experience, I have babysitter like I have an experience 2 years as a DH. I have a duties responsibilities like cooking, cleaning, especially take care of baby.
What experience do you have in taking care of children?
Sir, Madam, I love children. I can guide them very well. I can teach good manners and right conduct. I make sure that they will always stay healthy under my care.
If the child is not feeling well, what will you do?
Sir, Madam, if the child is not feeling well, I will check if he has a fever and give proper medicine, or I will call my employer and wait for the instruction.
If your employer has visitor, what will you do?
Sir, Madam, if my employer has a visitor, I will wait the instruction of them.
Are you willing to take care of pets like cats or dogs?
Yes, Madam.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn for living and to support my family and 3 children and to sustain our needs, especially now that we are experiencing big crisis here in my own country.
If you are lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
Madam, if I will give you the chance to work in Hong Kong, I will be promised to be honest and loyal to you and finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.